11 ways good writing skills can earn you money. A. If you love writing, you could be destined for entrepreneurship. There are so many ways in which businesses revolve around writing skills. There are hundreds of different ways that you can generate income as a writer. If you are wondering how to make money writing, here are some ideas to get you started. Niche blogging. Of course, this is the first suggestion on the list of how to make money online as a writer, because it's popular and a pretty much foolproof entrepreneurship plan. If you are good at writing about a particular topic, start your blog and earn millions from affiliate marketing. Corporate writing. Many businesses hire dedicated writers to pen down their company's content, and you can quickly make money writing it. This content includes the annual reports, business plans, legal documentation, training manuals, scripts, presentations, company blogs and the internal newsletters. Government work. The government and their agencies, particularly in small towns and counties, hire freelancers or dedicated writers to handle their written content for them, much like corporations do. This content may include legislative agendas, new laws, requests for proposals, reports, meeting notes, rephrasing scientific research into a publicly understandable language, and even the annual departmental reports. Join a writing agency. If you are a multi-talented writer with a diverse portfolio and love writing, editing, and proofreading, then join a content writing agency. Most of them have a wide variety of clients, and you will get to write everything: blog posts, white papers, speeches, articles, SEO texts, product descriptions, and even PowerPoint presentations. Especially highly valued are professionals specialized on writing custom papers for students. Editing and proofreading. This technically is not writing, but only an experienced writer can edit, grammar check, spell check, typo check and proofread written content online or offline. If you are particularly skilled in an area like medical or legal industry, you can zero in on your expertise and put your editing and proofreading skills to profitable use. Script writing. Script writer, also known as a scenarist, is a writer who writes screenplays for TV, film, video games, and even comics or graphic novels. If you are a fan of TV dramas and soap operas, or love the dozens of characters and stories that comic books have to offer, or have a vivid imagination and storytelling skills that you can produce weekly content, this might be your forte. Social media content writing. Many businesses are treading into the market, but they have little clue on how to talk to the passers-by. Social media is a major client-company communication platform. However, one wrong word and it can seriously put a dent in the reputation of your business. Speech writer. The corporate and political world is filled with people who know how to walk the walk, but are not as good with talking the talk, but speeches are very much mandatory in their careers. The same goes for executives, philanthropists, athletes, PR management agencies, and even political figures, who often need to make speeches as well. Lyricist. You can write lyrics and sell them to a songwriter for musicals, film, TV, and commercials in exchange for a certain percentage of the generated profit. You can work for a certain number of clients, or you can generate a large number of royalties from one song. With the latter option, if you have a high demand for your songwriting skills, you can increase the generated income as well. Writing poetry. Poetry is notoriously underpaid, and making money as a writer of poetry isn't easy. However, if you're a creative, metaphor-loving poet, There are some places you can submit your poems in exchange for some cash. Alternatively, you can also write for greeting card companies who don't have their